so here, catch
Oh, wing nut.
You gonna hold him? Gentle, gentle. He's actually nice if you just kind of put him like on your lap. Right here. It's okay. There.
Okay.
There. There.
No.
Yeah, then just
No,
hold him right
buddy.
like this. Yeah.
No.
There you go. It's like,
Tickle
ow.
this feet, buddy.
Yeah, that's better. Nice.
But-
Do that.
No.
Yeah, you can hold him in a minute. Let Samara first, okay? And then you can. There. Nice, Harley. Yeah, that's better. Don't put your finger in. It hurts.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, I don't want to encourage it. It hurts. He has sharp nails. Is that Harley? You can say Harley.
I don't like his face. Get his face away
Yeah,
from.
because you don't want to be so close because it would hurt.
No.
Yeah, you can hold him. After Samara can Cass hold for a bit? Ow. Here, Cass. That's all Cass needs. Put some power up there. Jump around. You want to hold him again? Okay, can Cass hold again? Here, Cass.
If you get used to it, it won't hurt anymore.
Oh, really?
No.
You want to hold again? Okay. Yeah, so you have to choose. Do
No.
that.
I want to hold him.
Yeah. You just pat her or him.
Aw, he's doing a stretch.
Here, do you want to? Here, Cass. There you go. There you go, bud. No, not too tight, not too tight. That's so cool, or what, Cass? Is that cool?
Yeah.
You like holding the dog? Oh, okay, gentle.
Can I hold her?
Yeah.
I him?
I'm assuming it's a him because they named it Harley. I could be wrong.
No.
That could be a goal.
No.
Just wait, Samara just got a turn. I don't want to bite your poor finger, Samara.